Hi guys, it's Legionero back with another video. Today I decided that I would do some more daily planning. This is the daily planner that I made for myself, and I've already done 2 pages, so I'm going to do 5 more pages so I can start using this planner on this coming Monday and use it for a full week just to see how I like it. These are stickers that I created on Cricut Design Space and cut them out with my Cricut, and I like them. I think they're super cute. So this is what the page looks like blank, and I will link my other video in the description box below where I decorated the other page. But this is what it looks like. It has the date, top 3 priorities, meals, to do, tomorrow, notes, and inspiration. Right. So I'm going to be using some more stickers that I created. So I picked out 5 little sticker kits, and I'm gonna go ahead and decorate this planner. And I also grabbed some days of the week and some date dots. So I've been wanting to do this for a while. I just haven't made the time to actually do it. And I've been so busy with everything else. If you watch my other videos, I can't remember if I told you or not, but I think I did. My mom's knee surgery was a success. She's just in the healing process now, which is going to take a couple of months. But her doctor, physical therapist, nurse, everybody said that she is doing so good and she's ahead of schedule. She's already doing really well on her exercising, her physical therapy, and walking. So, and she had her other knee done, I think in 2014 or 2015. I can't remember which year. I think it's 2014 she had the other knee done. So she knows what she needs to do. It's just a matter of getting through the pain and different things like that. But yep, she's doing really, really well. Those dots are not straight, but that's okay. Doesn't bother me that much. I say that, but then as I'm looking at it, I'm going, I'm not sure if I printed these on my removable paper or not. I think I did. All right, so that's one day down. So I have been trying to follow more planning YouTube channels and more planning Instagram pages. I found a few. Just looking for different sticker shops I can support. I'm kind of partial to printables just because I have the Cricut machine, so I can just grab those, print them out, and I can print them as many times as I want. I actually just grabbed some the other day, so I'll do a sticker haul on the printable stickers that I got. One of the places was having a really good sale, 70% off sale. So I grabbed some of their stickers. And I also grabbed a sticker kit that I had been looking at for a while. I'm super excited about it. I want to go ahead and use it, but then I also want to hold on to it for a particular season. But I'll talk about that in the haul video. I got to figure out my meals for this week. One thing I am for sure about, they will probably consist of chicken most of the week, and maybe some fish one day. But it will more than likely mostly be chicken. I put some chicken in the crock pot, and that will last for a couple of days. I do have some sausage in the freezer as well. So I could do some, I call it chicken and sausage gumbo, but it's not really authentic gumbo. It's just some stuff I throw in a pot. It starts out as gumbo, but then I don't know what happens after that. There's another cricket dot again. Right. This is so quick and easy. I definitely want to use this. A lot of times I'll make myself a planner, and once I get it printed through Lulu and it gets here, I'm excited when it gets here, but then I realize it's missing something, and then I just put it over to the side. But this one I think I'll use more so than the others. Maybe the stickers is what's helping me. Because of my other planners, I didn't make any stickers for them. So maybe that's what's happening. But we'll see. But since it's undated, if I miss a day or two, it'll be okay. But I'm definitely going to try to be more consistent this week, because last week was a blur. In between my mom's surgery and my cousin passing away unexpectedly, there was a lot going on. So I gotta get back on track. I definitely don't want to fall off too much with my eating. So I'm taking my Healthy Balance weight loss class through Kaiser. And we have to weigh ourselves once a week and send it to the instructor, and looks like you're seeing progress. And I know it's not all about the number that's on the scale. It's just the fact that we have to send it to them every week. So That's the only reason why I'm paying attention to it. Otherwise, I don't pay attention to the amount of weight. But what the scale says, I go by how my clothes fit. But since I'm taking this course, we have to weigh ourselves. So first week, I lost 5 pounds. And that's because I gave up drinking sweet juices. I love Publix raspberry lemonade. So I gave that up. I gave up sweets because I was eating the Little Debbie devil squares. I was eating them like they were going out of style. So, and I was drinking water. Water was the only, water and green tea or herbal tea. And I don't put any sugar or anything in my tea. When I drink it, I just drink it as is. So, those 3 things, the sugary juice, although I do love Publix raspberry lemonade. Drinking the water and not eating the Little Debbie devil squares. Has a devil in the name, so probably shouldn't be eating them anyway, but I've loved those since I was a child. And I walk, not every day, but I try to walk 30 minutes a day at least 3 times a week. I'm trying to get up to 4 and 5 days a week. Just depends on the weather, if it's raining or not, or if it's too chilly. Because we have to do 150 hours of activity. And activity doesn't necessarily mean exercise. One of the guys in the class is building his own greenhouse, so they're counting that as activity. So there's that. All right, so I got all my pages decorated. So let's start here. Monday. Is the 18th. Tuesday. I actually got these days of the week from a shop. On Etsy, but I can't remember the shop. Oh, you know what? I don't think I got them off of Etsy. I think I got it from Creative Fabrica. And it had the days of the week as well as the months. But I can't think of what the shop name is on Creative Fabrica. I have to look it up and put it in the description box below. I like a different type of font, but I figure, hey, this was already done and I had it. So trying to make sure I use the things that I purchase. These are turning out pretty good. All right, and last day, Sunday. All right, so I think these turned out pretty good. And I will keep you guys informed on how this week goes, me trying to use this planner, this daily planner. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And I will see you in the next one.